QuickBooks allows you to enter and retrieve information about the people you sell things to from the customers list. To access this list, select Sales and then Customers. The Customers list shows you a list of your customers, relevant information about them, and their balances. You can change what it is the customers list displays for you by clicking on the gear icon here. And for each one of the columns that you would like to see on the list, simply tick the check mark to add that column onto the customers list. All of the information displayed here is entered whenever you create a new customer. You can enter new customers by scrolling to the top of the customers list and clicking New Customer. From this screen, you can enter a customer's name, company name, and other information. The only required field, though, is Display Name As. This is a unique name that you assign to the customer to track their balance and other information. To see more options for entering customers, click Notes, and here you can enter any notes about your customer. Tax Info allows you to enter exemption details if the customer is exempt from sales tax. And Payment and Billing is where you can assign terms to a customer, which allows you to tell QuickBooks how many days you can give that customer to pay when you send them an invoice. You can also look up information about the existing customers by clicking their name from the customers list. First, QuickBooks will show you any historical transactions that you have had with that customer. And you can also click on Customer Details to retrieve any of the information about their address or contact information. Finally, you can also edit a customer by clicking on Edit up here at the top right. And from here, you can change any of their information. One key advantage is the entering information about a customer is that whenever you create a transaction for them, QuickBooks will automatically populate many of the transactions fields. To see this, let's create a transaction for Chad Kunert by selecting the Create menu and then entering an invoice. All we have to do here is enter Chad's name in the customer field and then press Tab. And here, automatically, the email address for Chad and the billing address are automatically entered. Finally, you can also filter the customers list and narrow down the list of customers that you see. Whenever you first go to the customers list, you are looking at a list of all of your customers. But if you'd like to only see the customers that you have open or overdue invoices, you can simply click on the filter up here on the money bar. Whenever I click on Open Invoices, notice that the list of customers is narrowed down to just those customers that have open invoices. And if I click on Overdue, it shows me the one customer with an overdue balance. Use the customers list to save time when entering transactions and retrieve information about customers later on.